things we've released here. Okay, so first, the new Teradek bolt line. Every one of our bolt lines has now been redesigned to include a number of different features on the receiver. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing, we've come out with the Bolt 10K. That's a 10,000 foot transmitter. This is the receiver with an integrated receiver, right? So the antenna and the receiver is one unit. The way that works is that it will turn a Bolt 3000 into a Bolt 10,000 with that receiver. We've just released the Link Pro. The Link Pro is a Wi-Fi router on the front end and an agnostic bonding unit on the back end. This means that you can turn up at a location where you don't have internet access, and using the Link Pro have broadband aggregated larger pipes to get out of the location that you're at or get internet access. Okay? We've also released the HEVC decoder on the T-Rex, so now we can do point-to-point over HEVC, or some other people know that as H.265. This means that you'll get the same quality at half the bitrate of H.264, or, as others think about it, twice the quality at the same bitrate.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.